Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create a drop-down list in Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Word. Then you need to click on File, and here you need to click on the options, and then you need to click on the Customize ribbon, and you need to turn on the developer mode. Then you need to click on OK. And here you are on the developer mode. So here you can see an option of drop-down list. Click on that option and then you need to click on properties. Then you need to name your list, that is my to-do list for an example. Okay, then you need to click on add. So I'm going to add my task, that is daily work, and you can add the value as well. Okay, then you can add any other. So I'm going to add a exercise value 2. Okay, and then I'm going to add a journal for example, and the value 3. Click on OK. Click on OK again. So here you can see that my list is created. So this is a process by which you can create a drop down list in Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.